Hello, and welcome to today's video presentation on enabling Oracle Ksplice online mode using Oracle Linux 8. In this video, we show how to register an Oracle Linux 8 system for online mode updates with the Unbreakable Linux Network, ULN, and install the Oracle Ksplice packages. So let's get started. Oracle Ksplice addresses a specific problem for system administrators when patching Linux systems. Traditional patching requires a system administrator to obtain and install the updated RPMs, schedule system downtime, and reboot the server to consume specific updated packages. This process has become more difficult and costly as environments are more complex with many interdependencies. Further, users expect the services and applications to remain undisrupted as possible. Oracle Ksplice updates the running operating system without requiring a reboot. A Ksplice update takes effect immediately upon applying, which is different from a traditional on-disk change that requires a subsequent reboot. Ksplice provides a way to update the running systems with the latest kernel and critical user space security and bug fix updates. Oracle creates each Ksplice update from a package update that originates either from Oracle or the open source community. Despite these Ksplice fixes, system administrators still require on-disk updates to ensure all packages are at the most recent version. The system uses on-disk updates if there is a restart of the hardware or processes. On-disk updates are handled by subscribing to Unbreakable Linux Network, ULN, or by using a local ULN mirror and running DNF. When applying Oracle Ksplice updates, multiple methods exist depending on your architecture. The first choice to make is the online mode or offline mode. The online mode requires the system to have access to the internet and connect to the Oracle Unbreakable Linux Network. Offline mode does not require access to the network, but expects the system administrator to either set up a ULN mirror or make Ksplice updates locally available. Offline mode also expects the installation of the offline versions of the Ksplice packages. In this video, we will focus on the online mode. Therefore, the setup and registration using offline mode are out of scope. The next choice to make is which client package to use to manage updates. Oracle provides two Ksplice clients, both using the same configuration file. The Enhanced client supports both kernel and user space updates, along with patching the Xen hypervisor on Oracle VM Server Release 3.4.5 and later. Meanwhile, the Uptrack client only supports updating the kernel. After installing the packages, the system administrator configures the client to apply the patches manually using the different Ksplice client commands, or sets the client to install the updates automatically. Details on executing these client commands are available in our other Ksplice videos. Now that we have covered an overview of Oracle Ksplice, let us install it. To install and use Oracle Ksplice, we will need to register with the Unbreakable Linux Network, ULN. Open a browser and go to linux.oracle.com. If you do not yet have an account on ULN, click the register link on the right. This link will redirect you to linux.oracle.com/register. Pick the appropriate button based on if you have an Oracle single sign-on account or not. Since I already have an account, I will return to the main page and click on the sign-in link. Log in with your Oracle single sign-on account credentials. Once logged into ULN, verify your customer support identifier, also known as a CSI, is linked to your account. In the upper right corner, click on Profile. Under the My CSI section, you should have your Oracle Linux CSI listed. If not, click the Add Row button. Double-click in the field, enter or paste your CSI, and then click the Save button. If you need additional information on CSI administration, more details exist in the Oracle Linux documentation. Now return to your system's terminal to register the system with ULN. Install the ULN registration package by typing sudo space dnf space install space rhn-setup. Next, start the registration process by typing sudo space uln_register. Typing this command will open a text user interface, TUI, and prompt for your registration information. Use the tab, arrow, spacebar, and enter keys to move through the interface. Read the registration instructions and then tab to the next button and hit enter. Enter your single sign-on login, single sign-on password, and CSI in the appropriate text fields. Tab to the next button and hit enter. Type a profile name. By default, the registration will use the system's hostname. I accepted the default. Choose to include the default option or not include information about hardware and network. Use the Tab key to navigate to the bracket section. Press the spacebar to deselect this option if you do not want to include the hardware and network data in your profile. Once a choice has been made, tab to the Next button and hit Enter. Registration includes all RPM packages installed on the system in the system profile as a default. If there are any you wish to deselect, move through the list using Tab and the arrow key. Use spacebar to select or deselect. Once you are done making choices, tab to the Next button and hit Enter. Read the collecting information summary and hit Enter on the Next button. Now the registration process uploads the profile to the Unbreakable Linux Network. Next, you get a prompt asking if you want to configure rootless updates. Confirming yes will enable the main Ksplice channel in ULN. Accept the default of yes. Tab to the OK button and hit Enter. Review your subscription details and then tab to the OK button and hit Enter. The registration process reminds you to run a DNF update. Tab to the Finish button and hit Enter. That completes the registration step. Once the terminal returns to the prompt, go back to the browser. In the browser, refresh the ULN page, if necessary, and go to the home page. On the home page, the Oracle Linux 8 system we just registered will display under Recently Registered Systems. Click the system name. This step redirects to the System Details page. The page displays the system-specific details, subscribed channels, and available errata. In the Subscribed Channels pane, click Manage Subscriptions button on the right. From the available box under Subscriptions, Channels, double-click the Ksplice Aware User Space Packages option to add it to the subscribed box. Click the Save Subscriptions button. If you need additional information on using ULN, you can read more details in the Oracle Linux documentation. Now with both of the Ksplice channels added, go back to the system's terminal. Install Ksplice by typing sudo space dnf space install space Ksplice space uptrack space -y. This command will install both the enhanced and uptrack client packages along with any dependencies. During installation, DNF will display a message that the system is receiving updates from ULN. For the enhanced client, install the Ksplice aware versions of the user space libraries. Type sudo space dnf space -- disable repo equals asterisk space -- enable repo equals ol8 _ x86 _ 64 _ user space _ Ksplice space update. The enhanced client also needs the glibc and OpenSSL patterns. Install the pattern packages by typing sudo space dnf space install space uptrack -updates $ open paren uname space -r close paren. That completes the installation of all necessary packages. Ksplice keeps its configuration in /etc /uptrack /uptrack.conf. Review the file by typing sudo space tail space -n space 25 space /etc /uptrack /uptrack.conf. If you want to install all available updates at boot time automatically, edit the configuration and uncomment the option upgrade _on _reboot equals yes. If you want to apply updates via a scheduled cron job automatically, edit the configuration and set the option auto install equals no to yes. To finalize the installation, reboot the system by typing sudo space systemctl space reboot. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy exploring the benefits of Oracle Ksplice. Additional information is available on Ksplice and other Linux topics in the Oracle Linux 8 documentation or Oracle Linux Learning Library.